You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than -12. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 3 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 4/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than -12.